Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will continue my discussion about some various professions that you may have chosen as your career, including how to become, their opportunities, salaries and much more. So today's discussion will be about how to become a librarian in India. History of libraries and librarians have been witnessed ever since the evolution of writing. People have been writing and recording their thoughts and ideas on different platforms. To keep a check of these documents, professionals were appointed. These professionals were later termed as librarians, and the work of librarianship then came into existence. The history of librarianship in India can be witnessed with the presence of a large number of artifacts related to the Indian mythology and kings and their kingship. Libraries at that time were mostly privately open for selective readers and writers, whereas in the modern era there are two types of libraries, public library and private library. The work of a librarian, however, has remained the same, that is, to keep a track of the books and arrange them systematically and in order as prescribed by the concerned authority of the respective library. The work profile of a librarian today has gained recognition with proper degree and training. So if you like being around books and have an interest in reading and maintaining books, then this job meant just for you. For those who want to pursue this career path, they must know the process of how to become a librarian and follow the steps designated for the same. Aspirants should know the different courses offered to become a librarian. These courses include Certificate in Library Science or Library and Information Science, Diploma in Library Science or Library and Information Science, Bachelor in Library Science or Library and Information Science, and Master of Library Science or Library and Information Science. Apart from this, a candidate can also pursue MPhil or PhD in these courses. Candidates must know the subjects they must study to become a librarian and the eligibility criteria prescribed by the colleges offering courses related to the designated field. To become a librarian, one can take any stream in 10+2 and exams should be as per institutional guidelines and courses requirement. A candidate who wants to pursue a certificate course must have a passing mark sheet of 10+2 from a recognized institution with at least 55% total aggregate. Candidates planning for diploma course should have passed 10+2 with at least 55% total percentage. The certificate must be valid and issued from recognized school or college. For a bachelor's course, candidates must have cleared their graduation with qualifying marks from an affiliated or accredited institution. Those who want to do master's course must produce their bachelor's mark sheet at the time of admission. Candidates must remember that a minimum of 55% total aggregate in bachelor course is compulsory for taking admission in master's course. Aspirants opting for MPhil or PhD courses need to qualify entrance exam defined by the concerned institutions. Along with the mark sheet of entrance exam, candidates will have to produce the passing scorecard of master's course with a minimum aggregate of 60% to take admission in the MPhil or PhD course. Being a librarian is not an easy task. It is very important for candidates to have a strong memory power so that they may remember the different slots and categories of books present in the library. To make things easier for the librarians, different job profiles for librarians have now been introduced. These profiles have been categorized according to the type of role and type of library we have around us. They can work for the libraries that are open for all as public librarians, or to look after libraries that belong to some particular academic institutions as academic librarians, or being hired to teach school students the essence and usage of a library as school librarians. To become a librarian is a tough task as the candidates will have to remember and track the books, reference materials, records and other related files and folders of the organization they are serving. Employment opportunities for librarians explain the different sectors and fields where the librarians are hired. These sectors hire librarians to get their libraries well organized and arranged the way they want. The sectors and fields that hire librarians are educational institutions, governmental organizations, law firms, corporate houses, media houses, research organizations, private firms, foreign embassies, museums, and galleries. Top recruiting companies for librarians are All India Radio, Doordarshan, Lawyers Associations, St. Xavier's Collegiate School, La Martiniere for Girls School, the National Library of India, Sinha Library, and Delhi Public Library. Starting salary of a new librarian per annum is rupees 1,27,800. After gaining 2 or 3 years of experience, salary is increased to rupees 2,74,000, where a senior level librarian gets rupees 5,77,500 annually. Top colleges to pursue career as librarian are Loyola College in Chennai, Punjabi University in Patiala, Tata Institute of Social Sciences in Mumbai, Mercy Dayanand University in Rohtak, University of Hyderabad in Hyderabad, and Stella Maris College in Chennai. So if you want to become a librarian, wishing you all the very best. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.